Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning CBR650F. So a beautiful bike is this one. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate, done 8,314 miles. It's got the full Black Widow exhaust system, so it sounds superb. You're going to rewind a bit, you get to give that a listen to. It's got the seat cowl, it's got the tail tidy, it's got LED indicators, it's got some billet foot pegs, it's got some crash protection, it's got billet bar ends and billet levers, a little tinted screen, and I'm sure there's a few more bits I've missed. It's absolutely stunning. Engine case as well, that's quite funky on there as well. But cracking bikes are also A2 compatible as well, so if you are an A2 license holder, you can restrict it as well. But yeah, brilliant bike. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick, and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk-around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call, and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.